Hi family, I just wanted to hop on here and make a really quick video to let you guys know where I've been. I know that some of you have noticed I haven't posted a video in the last couple of weeks, and I appreciate everybody that has emailed me and texted me, sent me gifts. It's just been amazing. But the reason I haven't been here is because I had COVID, and I was very fortunate that I got to my doctor within 3 days of feeling sick and knowing something was wrong, and they started me on a regimen of 6 different drugs, 4 of which were steroids to keep inflammation out of my lungs and everything. So I did not suffer with the massive congestion that a lot of people had, but I did have headaches, sore throat, and fatigue that was just unbelievable. And I'm still struggling with the fatigue, even though I've been testing negative for a week now. I'm still having periods of where I'll be feeling fine, and then all of a sudden it's like, ooh man, I've got to sit down. And so I just wanted to let you guys know that I made it through. Everything's fine. Miss Macy was the perfect puppy nurse for me. She never left my side the whole time that I was sick. And thank God that I had not been around Jenny, and so Jenny was able to make grocery drop-offs on the porch a couple times, so that was a lifesaver too. So we are doing fine. I am hoping to have a cooking video up for you guys either Friday or Saturday of this week. And we're getting back in the swing of things. Jenny's behind the camera right now, and everything's going well. But we just wanted to come on and let you guys know what had been going on. And again, I just appreciate so much all the outpouring of love and support that those of you that contacted me and messaged and all of that sent. So thank you again. I hope all of you guys are doing great. And like I say, we'll be back either Friday or Saturday with another cooking video. And we're back on track. Love you guys. Bye.